Hello, students! Welcome back to class. So, last class we started talking about shapes. Remember? Triangle? So, let's continue talking about shapes. So, first, I want to start off talking about two really important words. The first one is big. Can we say big? Big. Good. And the second one is small. Small. Can we say small? Good, small. So we have a really big pumpkin and a really small pumpkin. We have a really big building. We have a really big apple. And we have a really small apple. Yeah. We have a really big ball and a really small ball. We have a small house, a small French fry, two small mice, small, big, small, big, small, big. Good. So together, let's color in the shapes of our friend. So let's color him in. Yeah. So I see he has a square head. Here's our square head. Let's color our square head in pink. Whoopsie doodle, let's see. Yeah, that's better. And color our square head in pink. Let's color our circles green. How many circles can we count? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's color our circles in green. Circles are green. Circle. Okay, now let's look at the robot's body. What shape is his body? Which shape is his body? Ra. Rectangle. Good. Let's color his body in yellow. We'll put little rectangles in there. Yeah. Yeah, good. And last but not least, we see two, right? We see 1, 2, 1, 2. Triangle. Good. Let's color his triangle legs in orange. All right, good job, students. We made a robot. Okay. Can we count how many robots we see? How many robots do we see? Let's count. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Good. 4. Oh, okay. So we have 4 robots. What color should we make them? How about let's make robot number 1 red? And what color should we make robot number 2? Blue? All right, let's make robot number 2 blue. His triangle feet. His circle hands. And his square head. Let's make number 3. What color do you see? Purple, that's right. His circle hands. And his triangle feet. Yeah. And let's make number 4 green. And do his square head, rectangle body, triangle feet, and circle arms. Yeah, good job, students. So I want us to answer each question. How many do we see? Do we see 1, 2, 3, or 4? What colors do we see? What colors do we see? And what shapes do we see? Do we see a circle, a triangle, a rectangle, or a square? Let's try. How many do we see? Let's count. 1, good. So how many do we see, students? 3. We see 1, 2, 3. What colors do we see? Purple and green. And what shapes do we see? Triangle. Good. So we see 3 green, purple triangles. Yeah, good job. Let's try the next one. How many? 1. Good. We see 1. What color? Yellow. Good. And what shape? Rectangle? Good. Let's say this together. I see 1 yellow rectangle. I see 1 yellow rectangle. Good. Good job. What do we see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4. What colors do we see? Red, orange. Good. What shape do we see? Circle. I see 4 red and orange circles. I see 4 red and orange circles. I see 4 red and orange circle. Good. First, let's count how many. Good. 3. What colors do we see? I think I see red, orange, and blue. Good. What shapes? 2 circles and 1 square. Good. I see 1. Good. 3. What color? Purple. What shape? Square. I see 3 purple squares. Can you say, I see 3 purple squares? Good. And last, I want you to do this one on your own. I see 4 shapes. I see 4 shapes. Good. Great job today, students. You did awesome learning about shapes. I will see you next class when we talk more about shapes. Goodbye. Bye-bye.